can, but everybody's out, so I'm gonna be showing you how to make slime. So first, we applied our glue, but this is without lens solution. So what I did, I'm gonna pour some more glue. So let's pour our glue. Come on, glue. There we go. All right. Get it to stop. There we go. Now we're gonna get the glue all over our plate. Okay, so we finished our glue. Now we're gonna contribute warm water. So we'll be back when I get the warm water. Finished our glue, but also I don't want to make a mess, so we're gonna put the newspaper at the bottom. So get our newspaper, put it at the bottom. Then we're gonna get another one for extra protection. There we go. We're all good. So we already finished with our glue. So bye glue. Now let's see what's next on our list. Okay, we did contribute warm water, steaming water from it. So now we're gonna add food coloring. So the options we have here is blue, green, yellow, or red. And then this has to be yellow then, I think. Alright, so let's see what colors we're trying to make. So I like blue with yellow. I feel like this isn't really yellow. So let's just make it out of blue. So we add 2 drops. One, 2, 3. I guess 3. Alright, so while it's going through that, and then we're gonna add, alright, so we're gonna have to mix it. So I'm gonna have to get a spoon real fast. Stop it. Got a spoon back, so we gotta mix through it. Guys, this is really contributing. As you can see. Oh, guys, this is already contributing. Alright, now we're gonna add some shaving cream. There we go. Got our shaving cream. Now we're gonna mix it with it. That is so weird. There are some weird ways of making slime, but more creative, the more better. So we're mixing it. Okay. So it's like getting a little figuredy. It's like getting magnetic, but liquidy. So we're gonna have to mix like this, sideways. Alright, so now let's see. Okay, now we're gonna add some lotion. So a few pumps. So 1, 2, 3. Let's do 3 in different areas. Mix it. It's getting sticky. It's liquidy. That's supposed to be like that. Alright. Now, add a lot, some detergent. So, we're gonna use 1/3 of a cup. Okay. Alright. Put this back over here. And now we're gonna mix it. OMG! It's making it. Do you see that? And it's fluffy slime. Oh, we gotta keep mixing it. Let's keep mixing it. Alright, and it said keep kneading it and then play with your slime. So I'm gonna keep stirring it. OMG. Okay, so we're gonna grab our slime and place it on the newspaper real fast. Make sure we get all our slime. Okay, now grab our slime and we have to play with it. Guys, this is so liquidy. Maybe we could add some more lotion or shaving cream. So, okay, so we got more lotion. Okay, that's getting a little better. Okay, so we have this. So we know this didn't come out with a lot of success. So now we're gonna be doing fluffy slime versus regular slime. So I gotta go get cleaned up and then we'll be back again.